Hi, we are in October and one of my favorite recipes is pumpkin. So we're gonna roast some pumpkin and do it in a soft salad with some yogurt and it's gonna be delicious. You ready? So first of all, we're gonna cut our pumpkin and remove all the seeds in the middle. Now let's prepare a little bit of the sauce that is going to marinate the pumpkins. So olive oil, first ingredient, lemon, paprika, salt and pepper. You can add other spices if you want to. Let's go. Here is, just place it above the cooking paper. You just lay them down there, make them flat as much as possible. There we go. And we will put it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. While it's roasting, I am just gonna prepare a little bit of sauteed mushrooms with garlic, and that will be added together when the pumpkin is ready. While I'm waiting, I lay down a little bit of creamy yogurt at the bottom. I cut it some pecan nuts, some feta. I have some dried tomatoes that we've done here at Solar Alegria. And I have my mushrooms cooked with the garlic and olive oil. And as well, I do like to add oregano. We have here a beautiful roasted pumpkin. I added it to garlic as well because I like actually to spread it a little bit everywhere. So we're gonna start dressing the dish. And finally, some oregano. Ta-da! It's ready!